What's up, guys? Okay, we're going to the King Fahd National Library. Let's see what's inside. We're walking. Walk. So, I'm here now in the King Fahd Library, King Fahd National Library. So, let's go inside. Could we go inside?
Your box? No box?
No box.
No box, okay, come here. Welcome.
Yeah. For the library?
Give me his ID.
Ikama?
Yes.
ما في مشكلة سوي take picture هنا also?
No, upstairs cannot.
No, upstairs. Here, no problem.
Flip floor cannot.
Where?
No problem. Here, no problem. The ground.
Here, no problem.
Yes, yes.
Upstairs cannot.
Okay, sir. No problem.
Sorry about this.
No problem, sir.
You have gears, you have.
Yeah, I know. Ikama.
هذا هلالي هذا.
So upstairs, no taking pictures or video.
لا لا.
Okay, thank you, sir.
شوف. لا بل حتى في هذه الأسريات.
Okay, go back.
Thank you, sir. Hey guys, so as the guard told me that it's not allowed to take pictures and videos on the library area, so just only here down. have a trivia, guys, that the old building or the old building of the National Library is still standing inside this new structure that you can see outside. So they what do you call that? They don't destroy the old building for a new building. They just put it inside the new building. So guys, it's not allowed to take pictures and videos on the 3rd floor, so later. Yeah, we're going down, guys. We're outside the library already. So I asked the administrator there if how many books are inside this library. It maybe answered it maybe 2 million books. And the interesting part is that if you need something, or if you need something, if you need a book, you must search first in the computer area. That's free. You search first if it's available, then you will tell them, the administrator, then the administrator will search for it on the books area, which is very good. It's very clean and it's big. There's a free Wi-Fi also. You cannot take out the books, but you can make a copy on the copy of it. And as I've said a while ago, that this library is I think it's the biggest library here in Saudi Arabia. And the interesting part is the old building of the library is inside this new architectural design. I think this was designed by Professor Cherper, as I read from Google. So they want to they don't want to destroy the old building, so they just encapsulated inside a new building. So guys, this ends our vlog. Sorry, I cannot take videos on the library area because it's not allowed. We need to follow the rules and regulations here in this building for our safety. And one of the reasons why we cannot take video and camera on the library area because of the gender. You know, it's not allowed to take pictures of women and girls because there's also women and girls on the library area. So that's it. So see you on my next vlog. Oh, just wait. Just subscribe, like, and share this video if you enjoy it. Thank you.